Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I'm participating in the Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday 2020, hosted by the Hey y'all, it's just me, Robin, and today I'm participating in the Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday 2020 edition, hosted by the Diva Dynasty, which includes Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it, Cynthia Shesobless, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Mysterious Alberta, and Geraldine with Diva Decorating. Now, these young ladies host Tablescape Sunday every other Sunday, and they have a different theme. I would like for you to check out their channels. I will list them in the description box along with the playlist for this particular challenge. The rules for the challenge were you must be subscribed to all the host channels and mention them in the video. Link their channels in the playlist in the description box. Must use only paper and plastic for all of the items of the tablescape. You could use faux or real flowers. Title your video Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday 2020. Use the hashtag Paper and Plastic Tablescape Sunday. I'm reading from my phone so I don't forget anything. Upload date is today. Add your video to the playlist. And just have some paper and plastic fun. So I had a lot of this stuff already in the house because I had picked up some plastic plates and stuff from Home Goods probably a couple of years ago. And the only thing that's not paper and plastic is my candles. But everything else is paper and plastic. So again, I will list all of these young ladies: Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Geraldine with Diva Decorating, and Cynthia Shesobless. I'll link their channels in the description box along with the playlist. Please check it out for some inspiration on how to do nice tablescapes on the cheap. Excuse me. I hope you guys enjoy my tablescape. I have a couple of DIYs in it. Excuse me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. With that being said, I hope you enjoy mine. And here it goes. So this is my tablescape and I'm calling it Black and White in Paris. So I'm going to show you my DIYs first and then let you enjoy the rest of it. So this vase is a plastic vase that I got from the Goodwill for $1.99, and I spray painted it black, and then I spray painted a bowl from Dollar Tree. They came up 4 in a set. I spray painted it black for the base. The box I got is from the Goodwill as well. It was like $2. And these little bowls are 2 of the Dollar Tree silver bowls. I used the smaller one for the base and the top one for the bowl part. And I got these eggs, which are styrofoam, I believe, with glitter on them. From either Ross, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls a couple of years ago. I don't even remember. And then, now that was my only DIYs. Oh, and then here's the other bowls, and I just used them for pedestals for my candles, and I spray painted them black as well. My plates are black plastic plates, and then the silver plates are from the Dollar Tree, as well as the black and silver flatware. The doilies I got from Joann Fabrics, and also from the Dollar Tree. There was a black one and also a white one to give it a little contrast. Using plastic utensils and dinnerware kind of looks flat, so I wanted to give it a little bit more depth. The glasses I got also from the Dollar Tree. They're plastic. Acrylic, I guess is what I should say. And then the runners are a roll of shelf liner that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I think this paper is actually really pretty. I'm probably gonna be using it again for some other spring tablescapes. But yeah, that's my runners. This is a full view of my, and then my flowers. You've seen them before in the previous tablescape. But this is my tablescape. And, I forgot. Okay, so my napkins I got from Dollar Tree also. And then my napkin rings are the silver napkin rings from Dollar Tree, and I put some black bling wrap on them. I did this back last summer. And then the napkins are 2 napkins from the Dollar Tree, and I did them like I usually do them. But I think they look really pretty. So anyway, I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out really pretty. And I think it looks like a Paris dinner table setting. And this was fun doing a paper and plastic tablescape. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out, but I think it came out really well. So hope you guys like it and continue to watch and enjoy. thank you guys for stopping by, and I really enjoyed participating in this unique challenge. I want to thank Tammy of myself, and DIYing, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Geraldine from Diva Decorating, Cynthia Shesobless, and Mysterious Alberta for hosting this. You ladies are an awesome group, and I wish you nothing but success. Please stop by their channels. I will list them again below in the description box along with the playlist. Please, again, subscribe, like, and share my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to when I upload new videos. You guys take care, be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.